Here we are at a crucial interactive element in our program. Input \n, press enter to begin the simulation ... in the quotes inside the parentheses after input. We're demonstrating the input function here, which is Python's tool for pausing program execution while waiting for user keyboard input, enabling interactive experiences and user-controlled program flow. The input function displays that prompt message to the user. Program execution completely stops and waits. The user sees press enter to begin the simulation. Nothing's going to happen until that user presses enter on their keyboard because the program is stopped. It is just paused until this action happens. This creates interactive programs that respond to user control. Instead of running automatically from start to finish, your 4D simulation pauses and gives users control over when the simulation begins. The concept of interactive programs that respond to user control enables natural pause points in a program flow. Users can read the educational information, mentally prepare for the simulation, and proceed when they're ready. Your simulation, in this context, creates this pause, helping to ensure users have time to absorb the educational content before experiencing the full 4D interaction demonstration. At least they have the option that way to read through it before the rest of it starts running. It creates a thoughtful, user-friendly, scientific software experience.